Good, it is very, very fine. Now our bits, number of bits in the host network is going to be now this. So number of bits is 111 up to 26 of ones, right? From here, they are all part of the network. Okay, guys, so that is one thing. Now let's start with our network. Our network address is 192.168.0.0 prefix 26, simply because we have borrowed 2 bits from this octet, the last octet, so we're gonna have to add 2 to the default side, which is 24. 24 plus 2 gives how much? Tell me? 26. So exactly 26 is our cider now, because we're not dealing with the class anymore, because the CIDR has changed the subnet. So that is our network address. I did not put N here for the start of it so you can understand. Now we move down. The broadcast address. So broadcast address. Now get that. The broadcast address would be the sum of the remaining bits. The sum of these bits remaining here is 62. Right, so the sum of the bits remaining here is 62. So that 62 here is what you have to add to whatever value that is in the same octet of the host person of the network address. So that is 192.168.0.62, because if you add 62 to 0, it will give you 62. Now the next one is the first valid IP address, 192.168.0. How much is this? 1. The last valid IP address would be 192.168.0. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake from here. This was not supposed to give you 62, but instead it was supposed to give you 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. My broadcast address here was supposed to be 63. Okay, this is supposed to be 63 instead of 62. Sorry guys, I have made a mistake here. So instead of 62, if I add all this together is 63, and 2 to the power of if I add this 63 to this 0, I have 63. So my last valid IP address will be 62 by subtracting 1 from the 63. So I have here 62. Now what would be my subnet mask? My subnet mask is right here, 255, 255, 255, and these 2 bits is 192, because we have 128 plus 64 gives you 192. So your subnet max is 255.255.255.192, and that is exactly what we're looking for. And now this network is done. The next network, or the next subnet, would be 192. The next subnet network address, is 192.168.0.64, simply because we have 63 here. So, and that was the broadcast address, so therefore the next subnet's network address here, the same octet will change to 64 instead of 63. So you have to add 1 to it. Okay, the CIDR is the same, 26. Now the broadcast address is what? Simple. The broadcast address 192.168.0. Now this is going to be 63 amplius or plus 64. Right, that's it. So 63 plus 64 gives you how much? That is my problem. I don't know how to calculate, but I think I will know this one. I think the answer is 127. Good, I am correct. 127 is my broadcast address for this subnet. So therefore my first valid IP address would be 192.168.0.65, because I have 64 here, so I'm gonna have to add 1, so it gives me 65. Next, the last valid address for this subnet, sorry about that, is 192.168.0.126. That is my last valid IP address. My subnet max remains the same because I'm using the same CIDR 26. So 255.255.255.192. Now guys, my question is, my assignment, this is where I'm gonna stop for now, for class C. So what you guys are gonna do for me is complete this. Okay, complete the rest. We have to get 4 subnets before our last broadcast address become 255. Now you have to watch this video clearly. Now get the third and the fourth subnets. Okay, subnet them the way I am doing. The third one and the fourth one, subnet it clearly and then have it sent to me. That is one assignment. Okay, complete this one assignment. The second assignment that I am going to give you here is that let me just wipe this out first. I need to wipe all of this out of my way. Sorry about that. Alright, my assignment is that you are employed, or let's say you are tasked to subnet the network the network 192.168.0.0/24 into how many subnets? Into 6 subnets, or let's say 8 subnets. That is your task. You are tasked to subnet the network 192.168.0.0/24 into 8 subnets, and each subnet should provide 25 host addresses. 25 addresses. So let's just do like this. Alright guys, so this is exactly what you're gonna do for me, and then you have it submitted. Tomorrow we're not gonna get any video. We just have to, or what we can do, let's do all the videos this week. We complete the fixed length subnetting tomorrow and next tomorrow. Then next week when we come, we can do some revisions, and then we continue with class with VLSM. Okay guys, so I see you in my next video. I hope this video is not too long, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please do get back to me quickly as you can. Thank you. Bye bye.